Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. This week I worked on the Rabbit. What did I do? Alright everybody, this video might be a little shaky because I'm not using my tripod because I don't have room right now. For those of you that are curious as to what's going on with the Rabbit, well, here you go. The engine and transmission are out, the wiring harness is out, downpipe, everything is taken out in preparation for a completely different engine. So yes, in either a Hoovy's level feat of stupidity or stroke of genius, one of the two I am going to put in. I am going to be putting in a 1.4T from a new 2016 or newer Volkswagen Jetta. Why am I doing this? Well, I did not say it was because I was intelligent. This right here is a perfectly capable AEB engine that I probably could have had running very quickly. But unfortunately, AEB engine swaps, they're a very common engine swap. And no disrespect to someone who has done one, I'm probably not the guy to make a claim about ease of engine swaps because I've had this engine in this car for 6 or 7 years now. And it's still not running. I wanted to challenge myself a little bit, and this is a good way to do it. So ideally, tomorrow the AEB is getting picked up, and we'll be off to a new place to live, not in my car, and I will be on the hunt for a 1.4T, like a complete engine swap to put in the Rabbit. So if you're on the West Coast, northern West Coast, and you know of one for sale, hit me up because I sure could use a good deal on an engine right now. That would really help this project along. While I'm finishing up stuff on the Datsun, I'm doing all the planning stuff on the Rabbit. So that's kind of what's going on behind the scenes with the Rabbit right now. So I figured I would just give you guys a little quick video and let you know what's going on with the Rabbit. So there'll be more on this later, but for now, get out there and work on something.